Forklift safety starts with something simple that's often overlooked: keeping the forks low. Raised forks may not seem dangerous, but they can quickly lead to serious injuries, falling loads, tip overs, or even fatalities. That's why one of the safest habits operators can develop is keeping the forks as low as possible when traveling or parking the forklift. Forks should always be lowered when parking the forklift, when changing operators, after loading or unloading, and traveling in general. Traveling with forks too high creates unnecessary risk for both the operator and everyone working nearby. A raised load or raised forks can block visibility, strike objects, or catch someone off guard. Even worse, they can increase the chance of a forklift tipping over. Keeping the forks low helps keep the forklift stable and the workplace safer. So, let's quickly walk through the proper way to lower forklift forks safely when parking. First, come to a complete stop in a safe area and set the parking brake. Next, tilt the mast slightly forward until the forks are level with the floor. Then slowly lower the forks to the ground using the control lever. As the forks reach the ground, tilt them forward slightly so the tips rest flat on the floor. After that, place the controls in neutral, shut off the forklift, and remove the key before walking away. And remember, forklifts should never be parked with the forks resting on a pallet or any other object. While operating, travel with the forks only about 4 to 6 inches off the ground and always keep a clear view of where you're going. Small safety habits like these make a big difference. If you have any safety questions or need any forklift training, contact Lancaster Safety at 888-403-6026. Thanks everyone, and stay safe.